If we want to address a lameness problem on a farm, first of all, we need to be aware of what the extent of the problem is. We can do this through looking at the trimming records of the herd. If they have up-to-date records, we can see what the main problems are with regards to lesions, whether they're infectious lesions or whether they're non-infectious lesions. And this helps us to understand what the problem is on the dairy. But we also need to give the producer some idea of the cost of lameness to the herd as well. And one very simplistic way we can do this is to locomotion score the herd. And this is best done during milking time, as the cows leave the milking parlour. So the idea is that we allow the cows to walk past us down an alleyway with a smooth surface or a non-slip surface at least. And then we make a score for the cow based on the 5-point locomotion scoring system. So this system has 5 scores. Score 1 is the perfectly non-lame cow, and score 5 is the cow which is severely lame. So obviously the more ones we have, the better, and really we don't want to be having any 5-score cows. But the cow we're really interested in is the 3-score cow. And this cow, or the characteristics of this cow, is that she stands and she walks and she has an arch in her spine. And the importance of this cow is that if we take this cow and we put her in the chute and we examine her feet, we can make a therapeutic treatment for that cow. And there's a good chances that that cow will actually recover and return to a score 1 or score 2 cow, which is a relatively non-lame cow. On the flip side of that, if we leave this cow and we don't treat her, then she'll go from a 3 to a 4 to a 5, and the chances of this cow recovering are significantly less. Like I said, the other thing we need to understand is the cost of lameness. So when we do the locomotion scoring and we have our final breakdown of the herd, then we can use the locomotion scoring model to estimate the milk loss associated with the level of lameness in the herd. So this gives us an idea of how much additional milk production and revenue we can achieve if we address the problem of lameness on a dairy.